Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is brought to you by ULAHAIR. I was sent 3 bundles of their Brazilian straight version human hair in 18 inches, 20 inches and 22 inches. The hair color is natural. Look at that density and how silky this hair is. And of course, this hair came with lots of amazing gifts. It came with a rat tail comb, an elastic band, a wig cap, beautiful hair piece in red, pink and white. This is the hair instruction card and the thank you card. This is my cornrow pattern. I'm going for a side part hairstyle with no leave outs. I started off with a 22 inches bundle. Once I'm done sewing it in, I'll go ahead with the 20 inches, then the 18 inches. Keep on watching, guys. So guys, I'm done sewing in the bundles, and of course I'm not gonna leave my parts looking like that. I took the remaining bundles and I cut it into pieces like so. Cut out as much as you've been needing, and this is what it should look like. I'm gonna be using the Lano hair bonding glue and the above holding spritz for gluing the hair that I cut on my part and to make it look nice. So what you have to do is to put some bonding glue on the wefts as seen in the video. Spray some holding spritz on your scalp and on the weft. Once the color of the bond you put on the weft has changed, go ahead and place it. This is how you're going to place all of it until you're sure you've hidden the track. Ensure you spray some holding spritz alongside. Once you're done, finish it up with the holding spritz. I'm going ahead with my favorite edge wax to lay my edges. Trust me, you will love the final look of this hair. Hurry now and get yours. Use my code AMI15 to get extra $15 off. This bundle is a double weft, so I did not experience any shedding. The hair can be dyed, it can be curled. Did I forget to mention that the density of this hair is a 10 over 10. It's soft and very comfortable on the skin. Check out my description box for more purchase details. And don't forget to use my code AMI15 to get extra $15 off your purchase. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.